Welcome to Mabodic TV Explorers. Today, we travel to the heart of Ecuador to discover the rich history, culture, and lifestyle of Santo Domingo City, officially known as Santo Domingo de las Sequilas. History of Santo Domingo City. Santo Domingo is one of Ecuador's most important crossroads cities. Its history is deeply rooted in both indigenous heritage and modern development, long before Spanish influence. This land was home to the Sequila people, also known as the Colorados, famous for their red-dyed hair made from atiote seeds. During the 20th century, Santo Domingo transformed rapidly. Its strategic location between the Andean highlands and the Pacific coast made it a major center for trade, agriculture, and migration. In 2007, it officially became the capital of the Sequilas province, marking its political and cultural importance in Ecuador. Culture and traditions. The culture of Santo Domingo is a vibrant blend of indigenous Sequila traditions and mestizo influences. The Sequila people continue to preserve their language, ancestral medicine, rituals, and colorful attire, especially during festivals and cultural ceremonies. Music, dance, and storytelling are deeply valued, and community celebrations often bring together people from different backgrounds in harmony. Weather and environment. Santo Domingo has a tropical rainforest climate. The weather is generally warm and humid year-round, with temperatures averaging between 22 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is frequent, especially during the wet season, which keeps the land lush and green. The surrounding environment is rich with forests, rivers, farms, and biodiversity, making the area ideal for agriculture and ecotourism. Lifestyle and daily life. Life in Santo Domingo is active and dynamic. The city is known for its busy markets, transportation hubs, and commercial activity. Many residents work in farming, trade, transportation, and small businesses. Despite its growth, the city maintains a strong sense of community, where family ties and social connections are highly valued. Food and local cuisine. Food in Santo Domingo reflects its agricultural richness. Popular dishes include balanda verde fried plantain with cheese or pork, seco de gallina, traditional chicken stew, tilapia and freshwater fish dishes, fresh tropical fruits like pineapple, papaya, banana and cacao. Meals are hearty, flavorful, and often shared with family and guests. The people and hospitality. The people of Santo Domingo are known for being warm, welcoming, and hardworking. Hospitality is a way of life. Here visitors are often greeted with smiles, conversation, and a willingness to help. The Sequila community, in particular, is proud of sharing their traditions and knowledge with respect and openness. Santo Domingo today. Today, Santo Domingo stands as a bridge between cultures, regions, and traditions. It represents resilience, diversity, and growth where ancient heritage meets modern Ecuadorian life. Thank you for exploring Santo Domingo City with Mabodic TV. If you enjoyed this journey through history, culture, and lifestyle, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational adventures around the world.